Today we are going to introduce the Nilight triple row amber LED light bar with 16 AWG wiring harness kit. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. Includes 2 pieces 4-inch flood spot combo LED work light pods with black aluminum housing and 20 PCs high quality LED chips. Wiring harness kit. Contains durable adjustable mounting brackets and accessories for quick installation. Five-minute quick installation. Simply fix the bracket to the lamp with screws and then tighten it in the installation position with bolts and nuts. Dazzling lights easily light up the dark night, bring you wider and farther view area. Make off-road driving safer.